Dear ARVO members and attendees, thank you very much for your interest in our technology and for offering us the opportunity to introduce to you a unique and innovative equipment for compounding and fill finish of preservative-free products into multidose bottles. With your permission, I'd like to start this presentation by introducing Unither Pharmaceuticals, a global pharmaceutical contract development and manufacturing organization specialized in tailored dosage forms designed to simplify the life of the patients. Unither is a French headquartered company focused on R&D, key pharmaceutical, niche product manufacturing, and life cycle management. Unither is mostly known as a CDMO offering industrial solutions for the production of sterile and non-sterile liquids. We are a liquid stick pack pioneer with more than 500 million stick packs manufactured in 2020, and we are a blow-fill-seal leader with about 3.4 billion sterile vials manufactured last year. Unither is a growing company working with an important number of customers, which products are sold in more than 100 countries worldwide. All this is possible due to Unither's industrial footprint on 4 continents: Europe, Brazil, China, and the United States. This slide shows graphically the global locations of Unither's manufacturing sites, commercial and R&D offices. Every manufacturing site is focused on a specific domain: rhinology, respiratory, ophthalmic, and non-sterile liquids. Unither has a strong know-how in sterile product engineering. All our manufacturing sites are specialized in a specific therapeutic area and act as a backup or a plant for a local market manufacturing. For example, in the ophthalmic field, Unither Coutances, based in Normandy, France, is our center of excellence for sterile ophthalmic products. The local R&D cell has a strong interaction with our R&D center in Bordeaux, and the supply chain teams work together, offering our customers the market presence security by creating a backup manufacturing network between 2 French sites, Amiens and Coutances, our American site in Rochester, New York, and our Chinese site in Nanjing, situated not so far from Shanghai. To go further into the discussion about Unither's offer for ophthalmic product manufacturing, we try to sum up on this slide more than 25 years of our know-how in sterile product formulation, production, and management of ophthalmic products. We have a bunch of manufacturing equipment and versatile tank systems, allowing us working on industrial machines and under GMP conditions from 3 liters to 2,000 liters batch size. Also, we offer a variety of ophthalmic molds going from 0.25 ml to 1 ml. We can compound and fill solutions, emulsions, gels, and others. Every manufacturing plant has a dedicated R&D team and pilot workshop for internal and customer projects. If required, some works can be provided by or executed with the participation of our Innovation and Development Center from Bordeaux or the backup manufacturing plant. So, our customers benefit from R&D and industrial international footprint of Unither, from early works to commercial manufacturing. We answer and meet international quality and regulatory standards. We are approved by European Agency, FDA, Anvisa, Korean, Chinese, Russian, Libyan, and many other ministers of health. We use working in the international environment, both for transversal project management and commercial supply. The last but not least, Unither's industrial engineering offers 3 main technologies for sterile manufacturing of ophthalmic products: blow-fill-seal technology in single-unit vials, multidose preservative-free, and common multidose bottles for products with preservatives. We are always looking for innovative solutions to meet our customers' requirements and patients' needs by building the industrial synergy between two main technologies for preservative-free ophthalmic products, BFS and PFMD, we do believe providing our customers with sustainable solutions and the patients with tailored products to facilitate their life. This is our driving force for creation and realization of an innovative, preservative-free multi-dose manufacturing line. Today, we are proud to introduce to you our achievement, innovative preservative-free multi-dose line for aseptic manufacturing of ophthalmic products. Especially proud and delighted of our cutting-edge PFMD line, as this is an embodiment of more than 25 years of sterile know-how, of uncountable hours of work of our teams together with external suppliers and customers. By creating a synergy with unidose vials, the preservative-free multi-dose presentation acts as a complement to BFS and grants patients with the continual security and product quality during the medication period. The PFMD product is manufactured under the aseptic process. The aseptic manufacturing and sterile fill-finish process is a process in which the drug product, container, and closure or cap are first subjected to sterilization methods separately, as appropriate to each component and requirements, and then brought together by the isolator design machine. Unither's PFMD line is situated in a dedicated workshop and meets all quality and regulatory requirements and demands for aseptic fill-finish process. The isolator is designed to be cleanable and sterilizable in situ. The aseptic connections were imagined and set to preserve the sterility of bottles and cups while introducing them into the isolator for fill-finish operations. All operations are monitored by a specific automatic program to avoid any human intervention and preserve the sterility and quality of the products. The specific design of the isolator, I mean continuous monitoring, aseptic connections, repeated operations on missing cup detection, 100% in-process control of filling volume, and others, leads to the implementation of the zero-reject philosophy and flexible manufacturing process. So, depending on the manufacturing flow chart of the drug product, the size of the commercial batch can be tailored from 250 liters to 2,000 liters. The machine was designed to meet different medication needs of the patients. Thus, the sterile drug solution can be filled by 5, 10, or 15 milliliters into soft or classic bottles. Per today, two main cup technologies presented on the market are offered by Unither, Aptar OSD and Nevelia Pure Flow. Both of them dispense calibrated drops of the drug substance and are used by the customers depending on the drug formulation or local market requirements. The preservative-free multi-dose bottle and cup configurations fit with multiple molecules such as prostaglandins, immunosuppressants, HA, CMC, carbamers, different combinations of API, new chemical entities, and many others. The PFMD bottle can be used as a complement or main container for the eye impairment drugs in different domains. For example, dry eye syndrome, glaucoma, anti-infective, anti-inflammatory, hygiene, and others. From regulatory point of view, PFMD bottles are compatible with RX, OTC monograph drugs, medical devices, hygiene, and cosmetic products. With growing awareness of the damages provoked by the long-term use of eye medications with preservatives, preservative-free multidose comes as an appropriate alternative to standard drugs with preservatives, via life cycle management, for example. In practice, we know that any product modification, R&D, or clinical work requires significant human and financial resources. So, How does Unither help its customers? The solution comes from the standalone isolator. Unither created a dedicated workshop and invested into a standalone isolator for the fill of preservative-free multidose bottles. Thus, pre-stability and stability tests can be performed, so as clinical batches for different phases. Also, early-stage development projects and small feasibility batches of the formulations with highly expensive API can be made. The standalone isolator provides our customers with cost savings for highly expensive R&D and life cycle management works. It goes without saying that the standalone isolator workshop meets international quality and regulatory demands. So, by a specific design of the preservative-free multidose machine for an aseptic fill-finish process for commercial batches, and with a standalone isolator for R&D and transfer works, Unither offers a unique and complete solution for preservative-free ophthalmic products in multi-dose bottles. We will be very pleased of discussing new projects and welcoming you at Unither Coutances, our Center of Excellence for ophthalmological products. And we do believe that our skilled R&D, quality, and supply chain teams will provide you with entire satisfaction. The story of the PFMD machine is a proof of our promise. As you can see on this slide, the preservative-free multidose machine at Unither came to life from an idea, our customers' feedbacks, and demands to meet patients' needs. Per today, we work with two technologies, Upturn and Nemera. However, our patient-oriented philosophy let us foresee that new tailored solutions might come into the near future. We hope you enjoyed this short presentation. I and my colleague from Technical Department will be pleased to answer all your questions during the live chat on Thursday, May 6, from 8:30 to 9 a.m. New York time. Meanwhile, please feel free to contact us by email or phone. Looking forward to hearing from you and welcoming you at our virtual ARVO booth. Thank you very much for listening. Have a nice day. Bye bye.